Hello, welcome to the third video on thermometers. I will not teach you how to read the thermometer in this one. Unfortunately, we'll have to move to the next one because now we have to first of all learn a couple of more things about graduations and markings. Now, in my last video, I told you these lines that you see here, these lines that you see here, down here. Let me zoom in and show you. These lines that you see, these lines of markings, these are called graduations. And these numbers, and what do these actually mean? Without knowing this, we cannot learn how to use a thermometer and how to take readings, how to measure temperature. So what are we going to do in this video? We will learn about the meaning of different writings that are there, the different printed things that are there, what do they mean, and certain other things. Now we will take an alcohol. Let's take an alcohol thermometer because alcohol is very easily visible. So I'm just going to keep all the other thermometers aside, and I will use this to show you a couple of things. So first of all, let us look at the first thing, which is the unit. Now, if you look at any particular thermometer, on the top here, you will find a certain unit. Now, let me zoom in and show you the unit. Now, this is the top of the thermometer. Can you see it's written 0C? It's a small zero-like thing. It's written something like this. Let me put it here. Can you see something like this? 0C. Actually, this is not zero. This is called degree. And C stands for Celsius. So, degree Celsius. This is telling, degree Celsius is telling us that this thermometer is going to tell us the readings in degrees Celsius. So here, whatever temperature you measure on this thermometer is described in degrees Celsius. For example, at this moment, if you look a little closely here, the reading of alcohol is somewhere here. It is at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and it's going to 26. So at this moment, the temperature that this thermometer is measuring is 26 degrees Celsius. So don't worry why I called it 26 if you have not understood. I hope you've understood that what degree C means on the top. Now let us look at this clinical thermometer also. What are the units that are written on the clinical thermometer? Let's zoom inside. Let's zoom down onto this thermometer. Let me bring it in the center. And can you see at the top of this thermometer, this is the bottom where the bulb is and this is the top. Can you see degree Celsius here? So we have degree Celsius here, but at the bottom, if you look here, what has been written? It's written degree Fahrenheit. So temperature can be described in two different ways. You can either say the temperature is, let us say, a certain degree Celsius, maybe 30 degrees Celsius, or you can say it is, let's say, 45, 46 degree Fahrenheit, right? So you can use different units to describe temperature, just like you can describe the weight of a person in kilograms or in quintals or in tons or in grams, right? Similarly, so this is the concept of unit. So each thermometer has a marking called unit, which is written onto the top. And there are two types of units, degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. You have to first of all find out what is the unit your thermometer uses. So all of these laboratory thermometers mostly use degree Celsius. Now we move to the next part, which is called the range of a thermometer.